Hey guys, in this video I will be show you how you can add calendar in a Google Sheet. So it's super simple and it's two options. You can add the calendar on Google Sheet. So first option you can select, you can open the Google Drive and select new and select Google Sheet and select Home Template. So select an annual calendar. So appear like this. Uh, you can custom your calendar with the format, change the times. So select the time for labor here. Just click customs and click done. So you can also change the year on the very first sheet here. Just tap on it and just adjust the year. So that's the first one. For the second one, you can also add the calendar and the manual option like so. So just make it simple like this. Okay, that's how to add the calendar in Google Sheet. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to click like, comment, share, and also subscribe. If you have any questions, please leave it in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching.